What if your money could think for you? What if your expenses, savings, and future financial decisions were handled automatically, without stress, without discipline, without complex spreadsheets? That is exactly what artificial intelligence is starting to do in personal finance. In this video, I'll explain what AI in personal finance really means, how it works, and why it's becoming the future of money management in the simplest way possible. This channel explains money in a simple, practical way, without hype and without confusion. Today, we start a complete series on AI in personal finance, from beginner to advanced. Let's begin with the most basic question. Artificial intelligence, or AI, simply means machines that can learn from data and make decisions. AI does not think like humans. It does not have emotions. It does not guess. AI looks at patterns, thousands or millions of patterns, and then chooses the most logical action. Example: when Netflix recommends a movie, that's AI. When Google Maps suggests a faster route, that's AI. And now, the same intelligence is being applied to your money. Personal finance means how you earn money, spend money, save money, invest money, plan for the future. Traditionally, personal finance depended on discipline, manual budgeting, Excel sheets, human advisors, and that's where most people fail. Let's be honest. Most people know what they should do with money, but they don't do it. Why? Humans forget. Humans get emotional. Humans overspend. Humans delay decisions. Discipline works for a few days. Motivation works for a few weeks. But money decisions are daily decisions, and humans are bad at consistency. This is the exact gap where AI enters. AI in personal finance means using intelligent systems to track your spending automatically, understand your habits, predict future problems, suggest better financial decisions, adjust plans in real time. Instead of you managing money, AI helps manage money with you or for you. Imagine this situation. You earn money. You spend money. At the end of the month, you wonder where it went. AI looks at your transactions, your timing, your patterns, and then AI can say, you overspend on weekends. Your subscriptions are draining you. At this rate, you'll face a cash problem in 3 months. Humans react late. AI reacts early. Human emotional but AI logical. Human inconsistent but AI consistent. Human reactive but AI predictive. Human manual but AI automated. AI does not replace humans. AI removes human weaknesses from money management. Globally, people are facing rising expenses, financial stress, job uncertainty, complex financial choices. AI offers simplicity, automation, personalization. That's why AI-based finance tools are growing worldwide, not just in rich countries, but everywhere. AI is not magic. AI does not make you rich overnight. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. Used correctly, it improves decisions. Used blindly, it can also cause problems. And we'll cover both sides in this series. In upcoming videos, we'll cover why people fail at saving money, how AI fixes budgeting problems, how AI helps with investing, risks of using AI, how much control you should give AI, and how to use AI safely and smartly. This is not theory. This is practical money understanding for the future. This channel is a long-term series focused on understanding AI and money in a simple, practical way. There is no hype here, no shortcuts, and no complex financial language. If you want to clearly understand how technology is changing personal finance step by step, make sure you follow this series from the beginning. In the next video, we'll go back in time and look at how people managed money before AI and why that traditional system no longer works in today's world. If this video helped you understand the basics, subscribe to the channel and continue with the series in order. This is just the beginning.